4524 Victoria Garden. Power wash the driveway. Maybe repaint that fence. Remove the satellite dish. There was a little community park not too far from here, and I entered through the gate straight ahead at the end of the street. So we have some 2 stories, we have some split level entrances, some weeds in some of the yards. Repaint the door, change the locks, and that's all standard stuff. This wall paint is good. As far as the tone and the color, it's very close to what we normally do. This could be touched up. So we do have things like this. You get that with laminate. The question is, can we leave this for now and then change the flooring at a later date after 1 or 2 tenant turns? Feels okay. I mean, this is an open door property. I would think that they would want to remove anything that's very obviously a potential liability. Maybe cut back those trees so they're not touching the roof, just prevent bugs from entering easily. So 1 vertical is about 125. We definitely need it here. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 blinds in this room. Repaint kitchen cabinets. And if you repaint all the cabinets in the house, it's probably about $1,000. Little dent here, I think that's a dent. Should be fine. Showing wear here. I think it was over cleaned. Okay. The flooring looks okay in here. I mean, there's a little gap here and there. It's not installed the best, but this is window 6 that needs a blind. Property manager will tell us what to do with that light. This is kind of a small room. Well, we need closet door guides, repaint the closet doors. Baseboards look pretty good. We need a tub stopper. There's one there. Property manager will tell us if we need a new one. We do need a shower rod. Yeah, these cabinets should be repainted as well. Window 7, I believe. We need closet door guides. Flooring looks okay. I mean, you see a little, it's coming up a bit at the seams there. This is a change in flooring. Oh, that's really dirty. I'm not touching that light switch. Okay, well, this is the laundry room. I'll ask them if they know what type of flooring this is. If it's vinyl, we can leave it. If it's waterproof. Okay. So we have a fan in here. That's fine. Okay. 7, 8. This is window 8. We need closet door guides. We need to paint the closet doors for sure. There's a little bit of overspray there. Flooring looks pretty good. There's a shower rod in here. There's rust on that light fixture. Let's just say replace it for now, and then during the walkthrough the handyman can say if he can clean that off. There is a towel holder back there. There's a ceiling fan, no light kit. And that is that.